Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. But this, guys, these are my fish peppers. Yeah, these are fish peppers you're looking at. You can tell fish peppers mainly by their variegated leaves. They are very beautiful. Um, yeah, they're amazing plants. But today we're going to talk about these plants, these peppers with a little heat and a whole lot of history. Yeah. But first, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Mm. Alright, guys, so this is the tomato plant I'm going to try to save today. Let's see. Let me see, I'm gonna bring it over so you can see the break really good. So this is the break right here. Let's see where you are. Oh, there it is right there. That's the break. And yeah, that's it right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand it up. I'm gonna put some tape around it. I have 2 pieces of tape, and I'm gonna reinforce it with 2 sticks. Okay? Alright. Alright, guys, so this is one, and it's nice and strong. Yes, it's strong up there. Maybe I'll put another piece. Yeah, maybe I'll put another piece on the back, but it's up there nice and sturdy. And I have my Dollar Tree twine. Yeah, it's gonna hold it nicely. And I'm gonna move on to the next one, y'all. Yep. I'm gonna put another piece of that popsicle stick in the back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So alright, guys, I have a piece of that popsicle stick in the front and a piece in the back. It's holding sturdy, and I have a piece of my Dollar Tree twine at the bottom of the break. So it's nice and sturdy up here. So let's hope it works. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let's move on to the next one. Just cool. Alright, guys, so now they are all up. Well, as best as they can be. And I think they're going to do well. I think they're going to produce some wonderful tomatoes. And that is the most important, is to produce the tomatoes, right? Yeah, but they're doing good. Um, and and now I'm just looking forward to continuing to grow, baby. Yeah, get those tomatoes. Oh yeah. I have about 4 tomatoes that I had that fell off the vines. I have them in bags, and I'm gonna let them turn red, and I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy them. I'll share it with you. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that job is done. Alright, guys, so whoo-hoo, it's halftime. It is halftime. So this is my halftime drink. It's lemonade with some lemon balm, and some uh, spearmint. Yeah, it's warm out here, guys. It's just it's humid. It's humid here. That's what it is. It's humid. But you know, that's my weather. my weather. But I've been having a good day, productive day. So I've gotten all the tomatoes all staked up, and hopefully we could save the ones that we tried to save, and then um, now we're gonna move on to me sharing with you all my fish peppers. All right. So these are my fish peppers. Yeah. Now, from what I understand, is fish peppers have the heat of probably a jalapeno. Yeah, that's the heat that they have. So it's tolerable, you know. Yeah. But this pepper has a lot of history. It originated in the Caribbeans. Yeah. This seed was almost lost forever. In the 1940s, there was a folk painter, an African American by the name of Pippins. And Pippins, and it's great that in those days they did a lot of trading, not necessarily money. You give me what you have, and I'll give you what I have, right? So he met this man named Mr. Weaver, who's a beekeeper. Yeah. And Mr. Pippins went to Mr. Weaver and said, I need some of this honey you have, no, but I don't have any money. But what I do have, I have some seeds. So Mr. Weaver gladly made the exchange and gave Mr. Pippins the honey in which he needed for his arthritis. Not thinking of anything, Mr. Weaver just put the seeds aside. You know, would you believe years and years and years down the line, I'm talking 1995, here comes Mr. Weaver's one of his great grandsons by the name of William. And William takes some of the seeds and introduced them in a seed swap. Yeah, he introduced them in a seed swap. And this is how the fish pepper start to get spread around into the community. Well, it was popular. The fish pepper was popular in Philadelphia where they used it in fish and oyster stews. Yeah, it was a great, great ingredients for African Americans. They absolutely loved it in these stews. But not only does this pepper have heat, history, oh my God, the peppers are absolutely stunning. They are stunning. I have a couple growing now, and as you can see, this is one. But as they grow, they turn colors. Yeah, they turn different colors, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy to have them in my garden. Now, I was sent these pepper seeds by two of my very great friends here. One is Paula from Garden City Food Forest. She sent me some fish peppers, and the Sapper Gardener and his family. They sent me some fish peppers. Yeah. So now I have 7 fish peppers plants in my garden. I'm looking forward to growing them and just tasting them and putting them in my recipe. It won't be oyster stew, but it may be some crawfish etouffee. Yeah. But let me check out some of the other plants and see, do we have peppers on them? Because this one have about 2 peppers, and here's another one right here. There she is. Wait, let me focus it right there. Yeah. Let's see. Also, I wanted to touch bases upon the variegated leaves. They are absolutely stunning, just stunning. Now, Many of the leaves are variegated. Some of them are not. Some of them are not. Yeah, they're really beautiful. Let's go check it out though. So I have a pepper here, right there, but she is not a fish pepper. No, she's not, but I still love you, sweetheart. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I will definitely keep you updated on these fish peppers, and hopefully you get some seeds. You drop some seeds. Yeah, drop some seeds. Yeah, peppers with heat and history. That's a fish pepper. Hmm. All right, guys. So I'm gonna plant this fennel out. Yeah, I'm gonna drop some more seeds. I have a bucket over here that's empty, and so let's see. Could you see? Oh yeah, you can see. So I'm not going to. I won't be able to. Oh boy, look at that. It's dry. It's dry. See what we got here. So 1, 2, 6. I'm gonna do 7. I just kind of like this here. Alright. Yeah, it's a warm day. Then let's plant it out. Now I'm going to just water these guys in. And everything is watered here this morning. Gave everybody a good water early this morning. Yeah. All right. Let's move it on down, guys. Wow, look at those beans. Y'all see them? Oh, they are really nice. Very nice. Just pushing their way up. I have this little bucket prepared, and I have some save seeds. So check this out. So I think it was early last year. My son and I went over to City Park, and when we went to City Park, I saw these beautiful flowers growing, and these are the seeds to those flowers. I grew some in my garden, and these are the seeds. So this big seed here, that's a moonflower seed, yeah. And then they have some morning glory seeds in here too, yeah. But anyway, they are climbers. They're real pretty little yellow flowers. So I'm gonna plant some of them here. As I say, they are climbers. I'll put a moonflower in. And I have two little Dollar Tree trellises I'm gonna put over. Yeah, and we'll see. We'll see how you fill out this little pot here. Excuse if you all hear anything. That's my neighbors outside. But yeah. Alright, so that's what I'm putting here. Oh my, it looks like some pepper seeds in there. I better not put that in there. You never know what's in there, huh? There is a pepper seed in there. Alright, so I'm just gonna plant them down, give them a little water, and let them do their thing. So I have another little trellis here. I'll take the tag off of that one. And I'm gonna sit it right here on the side. And should have a nice little so here is my plants on my bucket with the squash and the cantaloupe and honeydew in it. They're all coming up and they're just pushing their way up right there. They're doing really good. Really good. Yeah. And these are the brassicas in the rim. And they're coming on up, y'all. And in my honeydew pot, they're doing good too. Yeah. I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. Yes, I've had a great time. But it's time for me to go in now. Yeah. Anyway, you all have a great day. I'll be looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later, y'all.